After the installation of the KÖSTER TPO waterproofing membrane on the vertical area, a cable feed-through will be mounted in the designated place. The first step is to cut an opening in the KÖSTER TPO waterproofing membrane at the designated spot. Now, a suitable KÖSTER pipe flashing is placed in front of the opening with the shrinkage wrap already pulled over the pipe, and the flashing is spot welded from inside. In this case, the KÖSTER pipe flashing 4300 with an inner diameter of 40 mm and a pipe length of 300 mm is being installed. If required, the pipe length can be adjusted. Immediately after, the spot welded pipe flashing is welded to the KÖSTER TPO waterproofing membrane with the hand welder by heating and firmly pressing with the silicone roller. After the cables are fed through the pipe, the cable shrinkage wrap is placed to cover half of its length on the pipe and half over the cables. The shrinkage wrap is then heated with the hand welder so that it contracts around the pipe and the cables. Depending on the situation, cable ties can be used to fix the cables into a bundle and thereby facilitate this work step.